Vista Viking Festival patrons, we have exciting and wonderful news for you. This backlot here at the Antique Gas and Steam Engine Museum in Vista, yes, that's the place where you parked last year, will be the site of the 21st Annual Vista Viking Festival on September 16th and 17th. Everything you love and enjoy about the Vista Viking Festival will be here. Food, beverages, entertainment, Viking vendors, our blacksmithing forge, our weapons range, Viking battles, Viking sports, and Viking competitions. Everything will be here on this new and flat, wonderful accessible space. Over twice the size as our little home. Please join us on September 16th and 17th at the Antique Gas and Steam Engine Museum in Vista for the 21st Annual Vista Viking Festival.